On April 18, 2017, PAX, a subsidiary of the Pacific Alliance Group, submitted a complaint against Mr. Miles Guol to the New York court. It is important to know that the complaint was that Mr. Miles Guol guaranteed a loan agreement between Penghu and PAX. In fact, PAG has recognized that Penghu has paid off the loan. So, the loan agreement should be automatically terminated, so as the guarantor agreement. How can PAX submit a complaint of a terminated agreement? Moreover, even if the loan agreement remained, the creditor PAG should first demand the payment from Penghu, not the guarantor, Mr. Miles Guol. Not only that, the place of the issuance and execution of the so-called guarantor agreement and the residence of both parties are either China or Hong Kong, which are not within the jurisdiction of the New York court. The complaint was rejected by New York court in September 2017. However, the complaint was accepted for rehearing in April 2018. The only reason given was that Mr. Miles Guol purchased a property in New York City at that time. PAG started a 4-year legal battle against Mr. Miles Guol. Since the case was accepted, Edward Moss has served as the main lawyer representing PAG. In the past 4 years, Edward Moss submitted a large amount of unverifiable evidence from China to the court, and even documents with forged Mr. Miles Guol's signature. What's more is the New York court deprived Mr. Miles Guol's right to a jury trial without giving any reason. It was astounding that facing a flood of falsified evidence, the New York judge barred Mr. Miles Guol from questioning the veracity of any document. Something even more dramatic happened in October 2021. Edward Moss accepted an invitation from attorney Bradley Bondi to join Cahill LLP. Who is Bradley Bondi? He is the lawyer who once represented Mr. Miles Guol in cases, including GTV. Bradley Bondi, as Mr. Miles Guol's former legal advisor, ignored professional ethics for lawyers, invited Edward Moss to fight side by side, and used the confidential information obtained when he served as Mr. Miles Guol's lawyer to attack Mr. Miles Guol.